passengers to keep a watchful eye on their luggage and personal belongings at all times.
All right. Good morning. Let's see here. There's door number 1. And someplace to set that down. Door number 2. Well, we got a lot done yesterday, kinda. We'll see what kind of mischief we can get into today. We'll do a quick finger count, and then at the end of the day, we'll count them again. See if we're short. All right. Let's get started. Spill some coffee. We're going to try to get these main bearings taken care of today. I had a false start yesterday, but I've regrouped and let's see. We got some of this. I need to turn this around so I can see what we're looking at. Yeah. Get ourselves some plastic gauge. And if we run out, we'll go to the nearest auto zone or advanced auto and have them say, yeah, we're out of that. So we've got a piece of granite here. This main cap here has got to be slimmed down a little bit. So we got a piece of sandpaper and a piece of granite here, and we will proceed to just take a little bit off and then see what we got. We'll sand this surface down here. I'm told that's what you do, so let's just do it. See how it looks. I'm just doing this. I don't know if there's a certain pattern you're supposed to do or what. I don't know it. I could get on the forums and ask, but there'd be 30 different answers and they'd all be different. Toward the front. To impose economic sanctions against TikTok that would in effect be a national ban. It is owned by a Chinese company which has raised national security. Coronavirus devastated their industry. Newly released data shows that Christian Farms has received $1.86 million from the Iowa Disposal Assistance Program. Right there. 2% of the $2.6 million the program has paid to date. Christian Farms is one of the nation's largest family-owned pork producers. The Sleepy Eye, Minnesota-based company has received reimbursement payments for disposing of 46,000 customers who have received payments reported humanizing about 18,000 hogs combined. And officials can take down the broadband projects, which can typically take months, if not years of planning and construction, up and running by December 30th. For example, in Vermont, let's try out this cut back on the lawmakers with light allocate from $100 million to less than $20 million. Pork range that my son loaned me. I don't have fancy tools, so if you see me using something like this, you can bet your butt that I borrowed it.
Let's see.
IPR comes from Virtue Medicine, offering
How
mind-body
does
care
this
for
work?
doctors, nurses, and first responders across the country. Telehealth, support groups, and
Foot
facility
pounds.
for fatigue and distress. More about doctors for doctors at Virtue Medicine.
Let's go up
You
to
can't see as a listener
25.
what it takes to bring you the news, both locally and from around the world. We check and recheck the facts to make sure the information is accurate. You can support this work by becoming a member today. This is Morning Edition from NPR News. I'm Rachel Martin, and I'm your web team.
It's confused with the delivery mail. Mail volume has gone down.
my socket won't stay on because I got
But as we're getting ready to
missing ball in there. And we all know how painful that can
so mail
be. Number 2.
that's really the
Physical material for this help include
We'll just snug these up. Well, we're getting ready. Put these rings on. This is a new old stock set of rings for cast pistons. And top one's easy. There's no bevel or anything on it, so that's the top one. But this one, you're never gonna see that, are you? Oh, there it is. Everything backwards. There's a groove in that one. So does it go this way or this way? And of course, the oil ring, that's, obvious. So, we are going to consult the Model T Bible and find out, what's thou say, uppest or downest? And if we can't get an answer out of this, I'm just going to make my best guess. What the hell? All right. We've made a guess. We're going to see if we can put these on here. Get right. Get yourself right in there. That way when you watch me do this, and you are a Model T guy, you can just pick it apart. What an idiot. Look at what that guy's doing. Don't give a damn. There we go. Start putting these babies back together. This one goes that way.
we read it out loud. Like we did the one on this side was not reading at that level, so we read it out loud.
Bolt goes toward camshaft. And so on. These have a hole in the bolt, and you either safety wire them or cotter key them once you get them in. Okay, all you real certified mechanics, avert your eyes. Fate of the universe relies on me here. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Don't care. I suppose I should change it. I've got this one on. The mark I put on it for front and back is backwards. I'll change it. Alright, we got something in the mail yesterday. See if we can open this up. Judging by the package, you can probably guess what it is. Yeah. Oh, man. Well, that's a disappointment. Let's try it this way. A big tube of disappointment. Oh, this is a good way to stab yourself. And cut your finger. Yeah, cut it. Can't believe it. Look at that. You see it? Yeah, bleeding and everything. Stupid knife. Well, we've all been there, huh? Alright, gonna have to come up with something else. Starting to think this is some kind of joke mail tube. Whoa! Look at that. Finely machined new component. It won't know how to act on this rig. Drive shaft. Yes. My goodness, that looks nice.